Okay. Well, it is the season of spring, and the flowers are blooming, and the sun is shining. So let us go to a very special place that reminds me of spring in this video game, Paper Mario on the N64. Here we are in Flower Fields. And let us go visit somebody first. You can hear nearly all the music that is associated with this level in this game. And let us go visit the sun, Mr. Sun. Hey, we meet again. Hey, did you know? The sun is the sun, only when it rises to light the skies. Today, I am once more spreading sunshine, so I can be called Mr. Sun again. Anyway, see you. Good luck. That is definitely fun. That music there. But this is nice to hear as well. Okay. Okay, let us talk to a flower for a moment. It feels so good to grow in the warm sunlight. Even though I can't move, I'm completely happy right here. Okay. And I remember why I brought sushi out. Okay. We have to switch back to lackluster for a second. Okay, now sushi. Because that's how we can cross the water. And just to point out, you can see those creatures there in the field of flowers. But whenever you engage in battle with them, the daisies can sing and put you to sleep, leading to big damage in battle. And that yellow creature, the one that is glittering, can cause extreme pain. And if you are not equipped to take on the Amazy Daisy, the yellow one, then you want to run away. Okay. Man, look at the scenery here. This is wonderful. This is wonderful. And here is one other flower with really nice music. Some sort of pink gem seems to be floating on the water. Is it the tear of an angel? No, it's not. Her name is Lily. She's a beautiful, tragic flower, fated to be unhappy. See the reflection of her face? She wears a brave smile. But if you remove the veil of petals one by one, you'll find Lily's soul is wet with tears. Don't cry, Lily. Crying will never free you from the bonds of this spring. It's no use. Unless perhaps you cry so much that all the flower fields is flooded and you can swim free. Okay. Who else do we have? Who else? Here we go. It is beautiful with the scenery and the music. Oh yes. But now, one other thing. Here we go. Woohoo! And what a view up here. Sort of like whenever we climb up an observation tower or whenever we fly in an airplane. this here, when you are playing the game through, this will lead you to the boss in this game for this level. And I have already played through the game on this file, but a lot of people out there will tell you with Paper Mario on the N64 here that Huff and Puff is perhaps the toughest boss in this game. And I can totally understand why, having played this game at least a few times in my life, that Huff and Puff is probably the toughest boss in this game, with the Crystal King as a close second. But we are not going to get into a battle here, but instead we can enjoy the nice music and the scenery. And ice cream! It is definitely that time of year for ice cream as well. Okay. But yeah, I thought I would show you flower fields with the music and the scenery. And I hope you have enjoyed this, and yeah, let us all have a very nice spring and summer coming up soon, where the flowers are blooming and the sun is out. Woohoo!